Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you my latest thrift store haul. Last week I was in Ohio visiting my family. I had a wonderful time, but I went to my favorite thrift store while I was there. It's right by my parents' house. So this is my haul from the thrift store. Right, first of all, I got these awesome earrings. They're clip-ons. They were only $1. Then I got these shoes. They were only $2. Next, I got a dress. As you can see, the tag says $6. But that day I was there, all the tag colors except for green were half off, so this was only $3. Next, I got another dress. This cute little black one. This one also says $6, but it was half off, so it was only $3. And then I got a sweater. It's a really cute long sweater that I've been wanting to find a long sweater. This one you can see has a little black mark through it, and that means it's only 50 cents. So I got this sweater for 50 cents. And then lastly, I got this skirt. Super cute. The brand is Akira, and as you can see, it was originally $54.90. But it did have a green tag, so it wasn't half off, but it was still only $3. So that was my awesome thrift store haul from this last week. Check out the link below to see my blog post, to see pictures and a lot more fun stuff. Also behind me you can see a bunch of my pillows that I made. You can find these on my Etsy shop. Click the link below for that too. Check it out. Thanks guys.